Om Namah Shivaya. Manasarovar Parikrama. Embark on this spiritual journey with us.
A journey of many lifetimes brought me home to Kailash Manasarovar for the first time, while Kailash Nath showered his grace with clear skies.
Darshan of Manasarovar for the first time. Heart goes still. My questions were nil. Waves of thy showers through me.
On 30th of July 2023, when I put my feet at the bank of Lake Manasarovar, tears of happiness and joy, I felt I'm home. When I touched her, I could feel the energy spreading through my body. It's unexplainable. It was intense. Silence within me, the calm within me. I knew I'm home. She was home for me.
The Divine Mother enthusiastically embraced me in her arms. When I prostrated to both of them together at the shores of Manasarovar, the waves came rushing towards me as if to hold and bless me.
The very first time I stepped into the Manasarovar Lake, I could see the Mount Kailash very clearly from the lake. It is felt as if I am with Mother and the Father together. It's the feeling of the first newborn baby's first hug with the mother.
Ya Devi Sharva Bhutesu Shakti Rupena Samshrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha. To that Devi who is in all being, is abiding in the form of power, salutation to her, salutation to her, salutation to her, salutation again and again. According to Hindu Puranas, Manasarovar originated when the hand of Mata Sati, the consort of Lord Shiva, felt at the foot of Mount Kailash. This sacred lake is considered one of the Shakti of Mata Sati. So, we were taught to treat it with the highest respect and not to step our feet into it. It is revered as the highest and holiest of feminine divinity Shakti, as holy water or tirtham to purify our body and soul.
I felt so peaceful when we arrived at Manasarovar Lake. I could not resist from lying down beside the lake and felt as if lying down on mother's lap. The constant waves reaching the shore sounds like a lullaby. The whole experience was so divine and cannot be explained by words. It's a lifetime divine experience.
I wouldn't have believed unless I've seen from my own eyes of the extraterrestrial beings coming and falling into the Manasarovar Lake. It was out of the world experience.
At 3:30 a.m., you are blessed to witness heavenly lights heading into the lake. It's a lifetime experience.
When you talk about Kailash, you cannot not talk about Lake Manasarovar. I couldn't express my feelings. To be able to stand, touch and feel the divine lake, only tears, the blessings of Lord Shiva and Parvati.
अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्थेन्दुलसितं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णाधीं यत्र पूर्वे सामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे न मित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च मे सुखञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनञ्च मे
Manasarovar is the most beautiful and sacred lake. The reason why Manasarovar cannot be everywhere is because of the aura of this place. There is something happening here which is incredible and indescribable. The Manasarovar Parikrama is a powerful spiritual process. We have completed with the inclusion of meditation sessions at the bank of Manasarovar. What we see in Manasarovar is life. The journey to Kailash Manasarovar is a life-changing experience. The magical and the mystical spot should not be missed by anyone. Nama Parvati Patayi Hara Hara Mahadeva தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி காவாய் கனகத்திரளே போற்றி கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி ஓம் நம சிவாய திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.